Honeybees, nature's tiny architects. Honeybees are small, buzzing insects that play a massive role in our world. They are more than just honey producers, they are essential pollinators, responsible for much of the food we eat. Without honeybees, life as we know it would be very different. There are over 20,000 species of bees, but the most well-known is the honeybee. These hardworking insects live in highly organized colonies, each with a queen, worker bees, and drones. The queen's main job is to lay eggs, ensuring the colony's survival. Worker bees, all female, gather nectar, build honeycombs, and protect the hive. Drones, the male bees, exist solely to mate with the queen. Honeybees are master pollinators. As they move from flower to flower collecting nectar, they transfer pollen, allowing plants to reproduce. This process is essential for crops like apples, almonds, and berries. In fact, about one-third of the food we eat depends on bee pollination. Without them, food supplies would shrink and ecosystems would struggle. But honeybees are famous for more than just pollination. They produce honey, one of nature's oldest and most valued sweeteners. Worker bees collect nectar, which is broken down into simple sugars and stored in hexagonal wax cells. Through evaporation and constant fanning by the bees' wings, the nectar thickens into honey. A single colony can produce over 100 pounds of honey in a year. Bees also make beeswax, which humans have used for centuries in candles, cosmetics, and medicine. Propolis, a sticky resin collected by bees, has antibacterial properties and is even used in natural remedies. Despite their importance, honeybee populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Many efforts are being made to protect them, from planting bee-friendly flowers to banning harmful chemicals. Supporting local beekeepers and choosing organic products can also help ensure their survival. Honeybees are more than just tiny insects, they are key players in our environment. Their hard work sustains agriculture, provides us with honey, and keeps ecosystems thriving. The next time you see a honeybee buzzing around, remember that it's doing far more than making honey, it's helping to keep our world alive.